In this video, you will learn how to underline header in Word document. Like this, it's very easy. First, you need to activate the header, and to activate the header, double click inside the header. Now you can type inside the header whatever you want. After typing, go to the Home tab, and under the Home tab, you will see this option of borders. You need to click on the drop down and then select border and shading. In this dialog box, click on borders and then select on box. You can choose the border style from here, like dash or dotted. I am selecting here solid black line. And under the color, you can specify the color of the line, for example, black. And this width is the thickness of the line. You can select different width of the borders. And after selecting the width, you can see the preview here. However, we don't want upper border, so we'll click on top border, left border, and right border to remove them. So we will be left with only the bottom border. Once done, just click on OK. And now the underline is added to the header. Now double click inside the document to confirm the changes. In this way, you can use border and shading feature to underline a header in Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about header in Microsoft Word. See you again in the next one.